Hey everyone, day after the storm, which they said set a record for the most snow in one day. Here's a view down my street. At least the plow got through. Turning around, going up my street. Oh boy, it's cold out, guys. It's cold. But we are all shoveled out. Thank God. This is the front of my house. Big piles of snow. But we are okay. There's still 50,000 people here without power. We were lucky. As many times as it went off during that storm yesterday, it kept coming back on. The boat is buried, but that's not going anywhere. And we've got a path to the shed now. Walking into the backyard. Oh my God, it's cold. I can't. I gotta put my gloves back on. The sun is out. The sky is blue. Thank you, God. Bye.